Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about, like, you know those Walmart makeup that they sell, like that you get on Christmas. They sell like these sets, like these big sets with like eyeshadows and stuff. Well, I went to go get some and I was like, okay, why not try to do a makeup tutorial out of this, like this makeup. So I'm gonna try to do a tutorial, or like, I don't have any foundation that comes with it. It's just the eyeshadows, highlight, blush, lip gloss, lipsticks, eye pencil, bronzer, and that's about it. So I'm gonna use my own foundation and my own primer. So if you guys want to learn or you guys want to see this video, just like, obviously make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and let's keep on going with this video. Alright, so I'm gonna use almost as like the usual, the CoverGirl True Blend Face Primer combo skin, and I'm gonna apply that all over my face. But guys, like, this is literally, I don't know, my skin, I'm breaking out so bad, like it's awful. Look at all this. And I have a tan from my glasses and my forehead, like it's so freaking bad. Okay, so, and my back really hurts, so if you guys see me go like this a lot, it's because my back really hurts. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the items one by one, and I don't have my table with me right now because I felt like really lazy to bring it in and do all the work, and so yeah. So I opened the package and it looks like this. So I don't know if I should do more of a neutral look or more of a like colorful eyeshadow ones. Like, they have mattes and sparkles and, like, I don't know, it's a lot. So I think I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows as the usual. Oh dang it, they didn't even give me concealer either. I got both the e.l.f. concealers in the shade Light. So let's see which one works. Okay, so I have a mirror right in front of me, and I'm gonna use this eyebrow brush. They're by Pesto. I don't know what the hell it is, but I'm gonna use this eye pencil. They come in two shades. It comes in the shades yeah, I don't say. I can literally not see, so I am sorry if you have to see the mirror. But we're gonna start off with the eyebrows. Hopefully it's not, I'm gonna swatch this. Okay, no, it does not have any sparkle. It's because, like, over here, you see right here, it has like sparkle. So I'm gonna go in with the brown because I feel like the black is gonna be a little too dark, but it looks like this is way too brown. It looks like a red, like, yeah, this is not gonna look good. Okay, let's try the black on the other. Yeah, and I think this is way too dark. This looks awful. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go get a makeup wipe and just like take the product off the pencil with the brush so it doesn't look this dark. I'm gonna open up the pencil and, as like I said previously, brush my eyebrows. This time I'm gonna get the brush and instead apply this myself. And I know that I'm really up on the camera, but I'm really blind. Like, you guys don't know how blind I am. Like, I remember when I first started wearing glasses, I wasn't supposed to be wearing them all the time, because that's what they had told me. And this last time that I went to go get my glasses, he was all like, "Where's your glasses?" And I was all like, in my pocket. And then he's like, "Why didn't you have them on?" And then I was like, "Cause they told me I didn't have to wear them all the time." And then he's like, "No, you're like really blind. Like when I first saw you, you were like," and yeah, it was. He's like, "You have to wear them all the time." But I don't really like wearing my glasses all the time. Like, especially if you do your makeup and you wear glasses, like, you know that struggle. Like, it kind of sucks, because then it just kind of leaves you the what's it called, the print, like the glasses print. Like right now I have this tan right here and it looks awful, literally. I struggle so much with this eyebrow, you guys don't even know. It's like the one, you don't you have like a favorite eyebrow and then you have an eyebrow you just hate? Yeah, my right eyebrow is the one I hate. I'm gonna use the concealer, the e.l.f. concealer, and I don't know, okay, and I'm gonna use this brush right here. We're gonna use this to carve out our eyebrows, and I'll do this off camera, so I'll be right back. I'm back with my eyebrows carved. So I think I'm gonna go in with the concealer now. I'm gonna grab the same concealer, the concealer e.l.f. in the shade Light. I'm gonna set it on my eyelids. Alright, so now I'm gonna just grab this brush right here and I'm gonna blend everything out. And I really still don't know if I'm gonna do like a regular like a neutral shade or a colorful one. I kind of want to go extra and see if it works. Let's do extra. So it comes with the palette in here. Like, it's supposed to be like custom designed, you know, like whatever colors you want in there. We're gonna go in with these colors, but I'll still show you guys all the colors that come in here. Alright, so it's a customizable compact palette, and it looks like this. If anything, out of all of this, I think I'm gonna use this mirror because it looks like it's gonna work really good. So it has the eyeshadows right here, it has the lip gloss right here, highlight right here, and blush right here. And we're gonna go in with extra shades, so I don't know if I should take them out or, because the eyeshadow's the mirror's gonna work for me. And then on this other one, it comes with the eyeshadows is like dark tones, and then there's more blush, highlight, and bronzer, and then it's more like neutral shades. And then on this one, it's more like vivid colors, like bright colors, and then there's shimmers up here. And there's more lip glosses down here. I took some of the colors out. I'm gonna do like a bluish greenish look. I'm gonna use these right here. I left the other ones, but these eyeshadows are like really, really delicate. Like, I barely even touched them, and they literally broke. I'm like, oh Lord, help me. So I'm gonna go in with the yellow shade right here, and I'm gonna pack that all over my eye. They have a lot of fallout, and I literally sat here because there was really good lighting, but the sun's already going down. It's 4:24 and the sun's already going down. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. These are literally so shimmery. I hate shimmery eyeshadows. I don't really use shimmery eyeshadows. And if I do, they have to be really pigmented. They literally have no pigment. I was also watching this like this video on YouTube the other day, and I was watching the girl, like, she ordered makeup off Wish, and she was trying to create a look, and she was like, I can't do this, this is so complicated. And then that's, I don't know, that's kind of how I got the idea, like, oh, I should try like the Walmart makeup that comes in those packages, because it's really similar. So alright, so it's starting to look like a mint green. I'm gonna go in with the this one, the darker blue. They're like royal blue, and I'm gonna start setting that like all over my eyelid. I really thought it was gonna have a little more pigment. It has more pigment than the other looks, the other eyeshadows. I'm just trying to stick to the basic stuff. Like, I'm not gonna stick lashes on this either. Well, maybe I'll save the look, we'll see. Because I have no eyelashes, like legit no eyelashes. Like, look at this. Look, I have like 3 freaking hairs going on. So I'm gonna go in with the wipey I used earlier and clean up all this fallout I got. And I'm gonna like sharpen out the edges here. Now that I've cleaned everything out, and I'm pretty sure my primer fell because of the wipey, so I'm gonna go in with a little again. I'm gonna just use the foundation because the package does not come with foundation. So I'm gonna blend it out with one of the brushes I got here. I'm gonna just blend everything out. So I have my foundation on right now. I'm sorry, my lips are really, really crusty right now. But I'm gonna go in again. I'm gonna go in with the concealer under these under eyes that they look awful. Looking like pale as a ghost. Right now I look really, really, really pale. But at the end I won't, so it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Alright, so now I'm gonna also blend that out with the same one I used earlier to blend my eyes out. And to set my concealer, I'm gonna use my setting powder, my Airspun. I'm gonna set my face and I'll be back. I set my face. I look really, really pale, and I do look like I'm out of it. Like, my eyes are puffed up. Like, what in the world? Alright, so I'm gonna get this other brush. It's like this angled brush. See? And I'm gonna go in with the bronzer that they actually have a bronzer. I'm gonna go in with the bronzer that they have. Hopefully it's dark enough. And if it's not, I think I'm gonna just go in with like a just made a mess. Okay, let's try. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna be dark enough because, girl, it's like really soft, but it's actually kind of good. Like, I don't think it's that bad. It's really, really soft. Like, it's more for like lighter tones. I'm gonna go in with this all over my face because it's actually adding color to my face. It's not leaving me pale, so it means it's working. No, it doesn't look too bad. I was expecting a little worse. Honestly, I'm trying really hard to make it work, like really hard. So I'm gonna go in with a different, like, kind of straight brush to contour or like sharpen out my contour. And there we go. So while I contour, I'm gonna go in with the blush. I'm gonna just shake this brush off. And I'm gonna go in with the blush. So since the palette comes in with 2 blushes, I'm gonna choose the little like darker tone. So it's the one right here. I'm gonna just dip in my brush. Okay, this blush really does not have any color. Since I'm still baking, we're gonna go in with my highlight. So I'm gonna choose the one that's right next to the blush. It's right here. It does not look too bad. It's working out pretty good. I'll like keep baking. I'm gonna see if I can create like an eyeliner wing kinda, so it can create a little more like pop to the eye with the pencil I use for my eyebrows. I'm gonna just put on some lipstick. It comes with several lipsticks. It comes with the matte liquid lipstick, this in like a pink shade. It comes with a matte liquid lipstick and a red shade. It comes also with a regular lipstick. It's like a purple pinkish shade. It also comes with like a nude kind of color. So as you guys know, I love red lipsticks, so I'm gonna use the red matte lipstick, and let's see how this looks. Alright, so I applied the lipstick, the red one, and now I'm gonna go in with the mascara. It also comes with mascara. Well, first I think I'm gonna use the little extra that was left on that one brush to apply blue at the bottom of my eye. I'm also going to use that black shade again to put it in my eye, the inner, my, what's it called, my waterline. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I didn't add any lashes or anything. It looks all over the place, but I was honestly expecting for it to be worse. And you guys should also let me know if I should do the $1 makeup challenge. I really want to try to do that one. But yeah. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to get notified of when I post. Make sure to leave a comment down below to get featured onto my next video, and make sure to check out my social media that will also be linked down below. Thanks for watching, guys.